Hello guys, my name is Dharmesh Tank. Today I will going to review new income tax portal 2.0. Let's open it. Incometax.gov.in. Sorry, spelling mistake. This is new portal e-filing 2.0. Color scheme is similar to GST portal, blue and white like professional. You can log in from here, register, dark mode and light mode. Choose as per your requirement. Increase, decrease font size. Change language. Presently English is available. Callers option, you can contact iCard Sampark Kendra, e-filing CPC, Teen NSDL. Contact number, timing hours available. This is contact us section. Another section, our services. You can verify your income tax return here without login. You just need your e-filing registration number or say filing acknowledgement number. Let's see. You need to enter PAN number, assessment year, acknowledgement number which is mentioned in ITRV or say income tax acknowledgement, mobile number, verification, method of verification and successfully verified. I just over your portal, then just brief over your poll section, not go in detail. I will prepare separate video about this. Link added with PAN. Same as earlier, enter your PAN number, Aadhaar number, name as per Aadhaar, mobile number and link it. No change. Check status from here, whether linked or not. E-pay tax, you can pay income tax from here. Most of says Teen NSDL payment website and e-filing website will merge, but this is not correct. You require to payment. You require to make payment same as earlier you made. Online service teennsdl.com website, non-TDS, TDS, equalization levy same as earlier, no change. You can track status of your income tax return here, whether is processed or not, refund issue or not, whatever, you can check status here. Just enter your acknowledgement number, mobile number and proceed. Let's move further. You can verify PAN detail here. Just enter PAN number, name as per PAN, date of birth, mobile number and continue. So you can verify your detail. No TAN number. Let's open this section. You can search 10 number here using a name of deductor or 10. You just require to select category deductor and search. If you have any one detail, either name or 10 number, you can search other one. No more about the portal. Let's open what it says. This is complete map of website. What section contain which things. Let's go back to our portal. So more. You can authenticate whether order or notice if any received or not. You can authenticate notice or order issued by ITD. I will prepare separate video about this again. Now your AO section. You can jurisdiction of your AO. In which jurisdiction your PAN number fall. Just enter your PAN number and mobile number. Instant e-PAN, which was earlier available. You can apply for PAN here using your Aadhaar number. You don't need to apply physical application here or any fees. You can get PAN within 10 minutes. Same as earlier, look change. TDS on cash withdrawal. This is about cash withdrawal TDS. Bank deduct TDS if your cash withdrawal is exceed basic certain limits specified by department. We will not go further information about this. Verify service request. You can verify service request here. Our service section is over here. Our success enabler. Here you can see figures. of how many user a registered individual and how many verified return is on specified date. This section provides news and update if any issued by department or CBDT. Things to know. This section provides videos to learn how to change password or work list for CA, link Aadhaar, etc. ITD Twitter account of Income Tax Department is linked here, so you can retweet here. This is new section. Our committed taxpayer, platinum, silver, gold, bronze certificate winners. Income Tax Department started unique appreciation. And this is bottom of website where about the section, about the portal, history, vision, mission, RTI, etc. Contact us detail, portals, policy, sitemap, support, accessibility, etc. Related website link, income tax, NSTL trace. Follower section, you can follow income tax on YouTube channel, Twitter, Facebook. Logo of income tax. Copyright reserved with ITD. Review and updated as on this date. Now let's open it, log in it to know further. You can log in using your user ID. User ID is your PAN number or Aadhaar number for individual who have salaried income, senior citizen, and other user ID for CA, TDS, TCS deductor, stakeholder, external agency, etc. For us individual, user ID is our PAN number. It's running slow comparatively. Let's wait for a few minutes. I refresh the page. Let's re-enter credit seal. I think login facility is not available yet or work in process. Let's ignore this component presently. I will make video separately on this section. On this blue tick, you can know different details like in case of individual receives salary, employee, guidance, profile, deduction, benefit, tax slab, etc. Applicable business, guidance, return form, tax slab, assistant, download section. In case of senior citizen, guidance, return, tax slab, same is non-resident and HUF. In case of company, similar guidance, detailed deduction, tax slab and download available here. Same thing for other. Here in case of tax professional, registration and service available to CA, external agency, and TDS TCS. This will provide how to type detail download section, which provide income tax return form and DSC management utility. Just select assessment here. Common utility ITR 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 presently not enabled. Common offline utility for ITR 5, 6, 7 and separate utility. Actually this is not a separate utility which provide instruction schema, last change, JSON schema created, release date, validation, etc. And last help section. Let's open. Here you can search content about specific form or specific person or specific issue. If it's available then you can read here. So this is the review of this income tax 2.0 portal. It looks like similar to GST portal. So I can assume that we will face same difficulty as we feel on GST portal. This is my opinion. Thank you.